The buzz cut follows the same steps as the easy cut, but with shorter guide combs, like a number 3 or a number 4.
Now Ryan here likes his buzz cut even shorter. Easy, let's try a number 2 guide comb. For this cut, the Wahl Lithium ion clipper is a great choice. It's cordless, so you can easily switch between your left and right hand without a cord getting in the way. Its versatility also helps with hard-to-reach areas, but you can really use any Wahl clipper to accomplish this cut.
Using an upward motion, start cutting the sides and back of the head. Keep the strokes constant and relaxed, and try to go against the grain to get an even, consistent cut. Once the back and sides are done, move on to the top of the head. From front to back, run the clipper in smooth, straight strokes across the top of the head. If you see unwanted cut lines, just go back and blend with that upward motion. Touching up the back and sides aren't tough when you're cutting on your own if you take your time. If you do, remember tight, straight lines are best created by careful, concise strokes. As simply as I can put it, you don't need help to make the buzz cut look great. Ryan did it, and so can you.